How to find old posts on your Facebook timeline. What's up, everybody? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find your old posts on Facebook timeline. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to your Facebook application. Now you will have to access your profile. You can directly tap on the profile picture from the top left corner or go to the menu icon at the top right, then tap on your profile banner. Once you land on the profile page, you are going to have to go to the three dots, and here you'll have an option called Manage Posts. Tap on it, and then from here you'll be able to see all of your posts that you've made. So if you want to filter out your posts and find the old ones, tap on the filter icon at the top left. Then from here go to, and then you can select a date. So let's say if I want to go back all the way to, let's say, November, I can just select the date and then click on OK, tap on done, and it will show me the post that I posted around that date. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.